super.
Let's use construction trucks and power tools to do demolition work.
Oh no! I just trimmed a tree and broke the fence. What do we do, Super Kid?
Fix it. Bulldoze time.
Awesome! Let's keep wrecking the fence.
Hammer time.
Whoa! Those hammers are tearing up the fence. Power up, Super Kid.
Let's do a super kick. Yeah!
Super kick.
Use the excavator to knock the fence over.
Whoa, Super Kid! That was amazing! This excavator's so strong! High five!
Yahoo!
Let's keep doing more demolition work and use our construction trucks. Backhoes and excavators can dig up the ground and demolish old buildings or rip up old parking lots. Broken buildings and old cement stand no chance against an excavator or jackhammers. Demolition work always needs jackhammers, but the excavator and dump truck always get the job done. Hey! Great idea, Super Kid. Let's use the forklift to pick up the fence. Are you ready?
Ready.
Let's go. The Super Brothers are ready to work.
Whoa, Super Kid! Okay, go ahead and load up all this fence! Come on!
This is old broken down fence.
I've got it.
Whoa! We got the big pieces of the wood from the fence. It's time to go throw it in the dump pile. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, go ahead.
Yippee!
Our forklift did great demolition work, but most forklifts work in warehouses. Some are smaller forklifts. And then we go larger. And bigger. Much bigger. Keep going. Now that's what I'm talking about. The forklift can't get any bigger than this.
Let's go find the fence builder.
Stuck. I can't get it out. Oh no, Supers. Let's call a professional tree cutter.
Grab your gear. The tree trimmer is here. Watch him climb the tree to the top. And get ready for chainsaw time. Whoa! The rope caught the tree limb and it lowers it down safely. Then, the workers can chainsaw the limbs into small pieces. Timber!
Yay!
Great teamwork. Let's see if we can cut down 10 branches.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Super! Now slide down the tree and stack those branches. Let's help the tree trimmers.
All right, now that we have it chainsawed, let's roll it down the hill, Super Kid. Are you ready? Let's do this.
Timber! Nice axe. Great idea. Chop up that tree trunk. It's rolling down the hill.
Whoa!
Hey, use the backpack blower to knock the fence over.
But
Whoa! This blower's so powerful! Awesome! Here's the starter, there's the gas tank, and look, Super Kid, the hose has a trigger to release the bubble air. Go ahead!
More blower power! There you go. Great teamwork, Supers. The new backpack blower is amazing. did it, Supers! We completed all of the demolition work with our construction trucks. Now we have a new fence.
All right, Supers, we got a new fence. We trimmed the trees. We did a great job today. If you guys liked our content, remember, like and subscribe. And stay super. Bye.
Say bye. See you later.
Bye.
Great job on doing the fence today.
Hammers are the strongest things in the whole world.
Can you show it to me? Wow.
Looks great, Super Kids. Start the tractor engines. Let's go!
What needs blow?
Oh, there it is.
Hurry, hurry.
I'll show you where all the bubbles coming from.
Okay, where do they come from?
The white part, so you
Let me
get
see.
the white part. You can lift up one. Time to use the fence. Let's get my excavator. Let's go somewhere.
Say blower.
Blower.
Blower time.
Later.
Blower.
Blower. Goodbye.